Welcome to our tutorial on how to add a custom field to the WooCommerce checkout page. Custom fields allow you to collect additional information from your customers during the checkout process. Let's get started. First, log in to your WooCommerce admin dashboard and install Code Snippets plugin in WordPress admin and click Add New Snippets. Adding a custom field to the WooCommerce checkout page is a relatively straightforward process. You can achieve this by using the WooCommerce_checkout_fields filter to add a new field to the checkout form. Here's an example code snippet. In this example, we are adding a new field to the billing section of the checkout form. The field is of type text and has a custom class of MyCustomClass. You can customize the label, placeholder, and required fields to your liking. Once you have added the custom field, you can retrieve the field value using the WooCommerce_checkout_posted_data hook. Here's an example code snippet. In this example, we are using the WooCommerce_checkout_update_order_meta hook to update the order meta with the custom field value. The update_post_meta function is used to save the custom field value to the order meta. Note that you should sanitize the field value using the sanitize_text_field function to prevent any potential security vulnerabilities. That's it. You've successfully added a custom field to the WooCommerce checkout page and retrieved its value.